I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run C++ program in Dev C++. So this code that's going to run using Dev C++. To download the software, in Google search box, write there Dev C++, then go on this devcpp.com. Let's click this. Then I'm going to click here, this Dev C++ 5. Click on this download, and there you can get with MinGW GCC compiler. So without compiler, I'm going to use this Dev C++ ID only. Click on this download. So this here, open this site, source forge or site that's open, and now you can see the file Dev C++ and this downloaded there. Let's click this open file and closing this one. So this is the file. So now you need to double click to install this file. Then after click on yes button. So you need to click on yes and click on this okay English selecting. Here I agree. Then click on next. So this all user yes. So this install that has done. So I'm not going to launching this currently. Let's uncheck and finish. Thereafter opening the command prompt. And if I write there G++ then minus version. So this is not recognized, but MinGW is already in my system. So for this one, let's go on this C drive. MinGW is there, bin directory. There you can see G++. So let's copy this. Then after click on this edit system environment variable path edit new paste. Okay. Thereafter the next is now if you try this again, command prompt, right there G++ minus version. You can see this version that install. Thereafter let's open their dev or C++. Now click on this OK, next, and now this is currently parsing. Okay, let's click on this close. Thereafter the next is let's go on this file, new source file. Let's copy this code to print the hello world. Copying and now pasting there. Let's save this. Saving Dev C++. Let's give the name hello .cpp. For C++, we need to give cpp. This done here. Thereafter the next is let's go on this tools tab, compiler. So compiler, and let's go on this directory and so now you need to go on this compiler option, then program. Here G++, that's click on this browse. Select the G++ directory. So this PC, C drive, MinGW, that's we need to select on this pin. G++, now you can see, let's click on this open. Click on this OK, save that. Now if you compile and run. So this is now currently compiling. You need to wait for 6 seconds. This I think done without any problem. Let's go on this compile log here. Compile lesson successful. There is no any error. So you cannot see an error. But if I here let's compile run. So output is not displaying into the output screen. So that here the next is let's copy this system.pause. System.pause. After cout we need to paste. Now Control S. So this will pause the output screen one at a time. Now let's compile run. So now you can see hello world that's displaying. Any key to continue. Press enter. Thereafter let's do any changes dot. Control S to save. Thereafter here compile run. Compile run. Now you can see this is displaying the output. So this is how we can run C++ program inside the dev C++.